All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you did like what you saw here, be sure to check out our Ballroom Pro section. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can learn each of those steps step by step, and you can also learn step by step how to put that in that cool combination number 1. So be sure to check that out, and if not, just go check out our hustle syllabus and the rest of stuff on YouTube and have a ball.
There's free basic patterns as well on our YouTube for the hustle stuff instead of just this advanced choreography that you might have come across here for the first time.
Yes. Okay. Enjoy.